Welcome to our channel once again, my friends. Real Nice Guyana, home of traditional Guyanese recipes. Today we're making a delicious, yet another delicious Guyanese dish for you guys. Today we're going to be cooking Sijan Curry with Eddo. These two go so well together. As you know, Sijan is also called drumsticks. For this recipe, we're going to be using 3 Sijans. As you can see there, 2 Eddos, some scallions, onions, garlic, pepper, and of course our curry powder, roasted ground geera, and garam masala for our curry. So let's get started with this recipe, guys. So we're going to be making some Sada roti to go with this, guys. You can also have this with rice as well. Here's our Sijan. So we're going to start getting our stuff ready, guys. And you can cut them like this length. So everything in the Sijan is edible except the outside, the skin, so you could suck the inside out. And this is the way you peel it. You have to take off the outer layer of the skin. So this outer part, once you cook it, is husky, and the inside is edible. Once it's done and soft, you just suck on it and everything comes out from the inside. So we are done cleaning our Sijan, guys, and this is what it looks like. You don't have to get off every single part of the skin, most of it. When you cut and you pull off, like just a little line usually left there like that, but that's fine. And this is all that came off from the 3 Sijan. So that's a lot that you have to, that comes off easily. So we're gonna move on to our Eddos now. So this dish goes nice with roti and rice, guys. Any which way you want to have, whatever you want to have it with. So now we're gonna get our seasonings ready. So we're using 5 cloves of garlic. We have all of this stuff ready, guys, prepared. So now we're going to make our curry paste. So that was pepper and garlic that we pounded. Now we're adding the roasted ground geera, garam masala, and curry powder. Now we're going to add some water to this to make our paste. So that consistency is fine. Our curry paste is ready. So now we have everything prepared for our Sijan and Eddo curry. And we have our flour over here, which we're going to be making our Sada roti. Adding some oil to our karahi. Alright, so our oil is hot. We're going to add our onions to begin with. We want to fry this up a little bit until it gets a bit of color. Release some aromas. So this is fried a little bit. Now we're going to add our curry paste. So your curry paste you want to fry for approximately 2 minutes. And you want to make sure it doesn't burn since there is not a lot of liquid in there. So now after frying our curry paste, we're going to add our Sijan and Eddo. So this is the bunjaying process of your curry. So you're going to mix in all your curry paste and all the spices in there with your ingredients, with your Sijan and your Eddo. Make sure everything is coated. So we're going to add some salt now. So our stove is on a medium all the time, guys. Now we're going to cover this and let it bunjay. So we're going to check on this now, guys, and see what's going on here. So for Sijan and Eddo, it's not going to release a lot of water like chicken and so on does. So you want to check this in a shorter time, make sure it doesn't burn. So we're going to cover this back now. You want it to absorb all that water it is released. Giving this another turn, guys. As you can see, it's absorbing now. So this has evaporated enough. As you can see, there's barely any liquid in there. So this has bunged now, and we're going to add some hot water now to this. You can also add cold water, room temperature water, but you have to wait until it boils again. So we're going to add one very pepper there. And our chopped scallions now. So we're going to cover this back now, guys. Let it cook. So we are also making some rice along with our Sada roti. We're making some rice to go with this curry as well. So we're gonna need our dough for our Sada roti now, guys. And as usual, all the ingredients and measurements will be below the video in the description box. So we're going to shake this up now, guys. Looking very delicate there, so you don't want to turn and break up all your Sijan or drumsticks. You add a bit of water. So there, the Eddo is boiled already. You can go a bit softer if you want. Yeah, so Sijan is delicate, guys. If you try to turn this right now, you're going to split all your Sijan and you don't want that. So it's better to shake it up. So this here for us now, guys, is done. As you can see, there's just enough liquid in there. Once it cools off, it's going to get a bit thicker. And ideally, you'll want to finish it off with a little bit more water than this. I think we're going to add a little bit more water now, so that when it cools off, it doesn't get too dry. So I'll give this a shake up here. So that's it for our Sijan curry with Eddos, guys. So we're gonna finish off our roti, our Sada roti. We'll show you what the end product looks like once this has cooled off and so on a little bit. So our rice is still cooking. Our rice is done. We're gonna strain our rice now, guys. So we're gonna cook our Sada roti now. So our pan is hot, and we're gonna add our roti here now. And we're gonna sake it over here. So here's our finished product, my friends. We have our Sijan curry with Eddo there, some rice, and we are also having this with some Sada roti. So if you like this video, guys, please remember to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, please do. Please click on the bell icon so you get notifications from us whenever we post new videos. Remember to turn notifications on your phone as well in order to receive those notifications. Please share this video as well. And as always, thanks for watching. Take care. Bye.